rise in this House. Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to find out if it is in order for the leader of opposition, who was a cabinet minister in a government that lost power just 2 months ago, a government that practiced nepotism, tribalism, criminality, to stand in this House and condemn the same. Doctrine of equity, Mr. Speaker, demands that he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Is it in order for somebody who has dirty hands to come and demand equity? Thank you very much.
Point of order. Point of order, Mr.